back, folks. We got a nice little Honda Insight for you today. 2010. This is an EX. It's a hybrid gas. It's a two-owner unit with almost 40 service records on it. Mechanically sound, drives 110%. It's got all the look, all power options. It's available today with a guaranteed credit approval program. Looking at $595 starting down payment on a vehicle like this. Great little piece. Good for a gajillion miles. Mucho MPGs. Safe and reliable. Come on down, DasCleveland.com, 5333 Lorraine Avenue. Bring us a couple paycheck stubs and possibly a bank statement. And let us try to get you rolling today. Fantastic Google reviews. Great group of guys to work with. All cars are cleaned and detailed, serviced and safety inspected. DasCleveland.com.